Having trouble with my yard machine riding mower. Deck needs height adjustment and leveling, scalping on discharge side and barely cutting on other side.
Greetings, my name is and I am here to help the best I can. My goal is 100% satisfaction. Let's get started. This is usually caused by either an improperly leveled deck or worse, a warped deck. These MTD tractors are really made cheaply and the mower deck hanging brackets bend and wear quickly. Also, you need to check to see if the bearings and the pulleys are wearing out. Take the belt off and spin each pulley and spindle to see that 1. They make zero noise and spin silently. 2. There is absolutely no vibration. 3. They spin smoothly, but with a fluid resistance as if turning against thick grease. What happens is that the grease inside the bearings and the pulleys and inside the blade spindles will get washed out and then the bearings spin dry. When they spin dry, they get warm and start to bind or will even freeze up. One problem that causes this is when customers wash their tractors and mowers with water, a hose, or worse yet, a pressure washer. But these sealed bearings will also just wear out and dry out over time. If you spin a pulley and it just spins forever, it is likely fresh out of grease, will start making a little noise, and you think it is fine, but it is ready to cause problems. Mower decks with pulley or bearing problems also will work worse when they confronted with a different belt angle of attack. When you change the height of cut, the belt angle changes and puts more stress on an already worn bearing. This will slow the speed down due to increased friction. Often the problem is worsened, even with good pulleys, because the mower deck is leveled wrong, not just side to side, but wrong front to back. If the back is too low or if the front is too high, then when you lower the deck, the belt can bind and even rub on the mower deck itself. In addition to putting additional stress on the pulleys, I would adjust the deck so that when the mower is at the height you want to cut, the pulleys are perfectly in the same plane with each other so the belt does not rub against the sides of the V or against the lip of the idler. Sometimes this is impossible because the deck may have warped. These cheap decks are made of inferior quality materials and over time, sometimes 2 years, they will sag and bend into a V shape. You may not easily be able to detect this, but it has a huge effect not only on the belt speed and blade speed but also on the quality of cut. In fact, it may be impossible to properly level a deck that has a bent deck frame. Worse yet, as the problem gets worse, you will see that the mower leaves grass between the blades, or some blades are cut at different heights, sometimes leaving a thin strip between the blades. Also, once a belt jumps off, usually it breaks the cords in the back of the belt and it may never stay on again, because when it reaches a twist or a turn near a pulley, the belt is less stiff and will twist by itself and jump off. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. Also, this full set of dealer-only service manuals may help. 769-01415 http://769-01415 multi-section http://769-01415
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.